Baking soda can be an effective, low-toxicity tool for controlling several common household pests beyond ants when used correctly. Baking soda works by disrupting insects that groom or ingest fine powders, so target application is critical. For cockroaches, mix equal parts baking soda and sugar, and place thin layers in corners, behind appliances, and along baseboards where they travel. The sugar attracts, and the baking soda causes internal disruption after ingestion. For silverfish, create powder barriers in cracks, under sinks, and along bookshelves, and keep the treated areas dry because silverfish prefer moisture and will avoid wet barriers. For small pantry beetles or flower moth larvae, combine sprinkled baking soda with sealed traps or infested product removal and tightly seal any entry points into cabinets. Replace contaminated foods and clean shelves to remove eggs. Use light dusting tools or a sifter to avoid clumping and to distribute a very thin layer because thick piles attract humidity and reduce effectiveness. Always pair baking soda use with sanitation improvements, such as vacuuming crumbs, storing food in airtight containers, and repairing leaks, because powders work best when pests have limited alternative food and moisture sources. Common mistakes include over-applying baking soda and creating moist clumps that lose efficacy, so use a thin, even dust or a sifter and refresh after cleaning or heavy humidity events. Another issue is relying solely on baking soda for infestations that need stronger control. If you see ongoing activity after consistent applications and sanitation, escalate to baits formulated for the specific pest or consult a professional. A third concern is placing powder where children or pets can access it. Move treatments to inaccessible voids, behind appliances, or inside folded cardboard trays, and use adhesive traps in reachable areas to reduce risk. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors with a searchable local network that highlights projects, reviews, and direct messaging to help match needs and skills. We also host an active discussion community where members share real-world tips and experiences about home pest control and contractor work, so our site helps homeowners find local help and helps contractors find new projects.